Myself Chandana. Firstly, I would like to extend my thanks to my parents, due to whom I have got this much score. Really, my parents are my inspiration to do this. And next, I would like to thank to Praveen sir, due to whom I have entered to this beautiful college. And I would like to thank to all my lecturers, specifically mentioning Swati ma'am, Kasturi ma'am, Lakshmi ma'am and Girija ma'am. Swati ma'am was handling two subjects, economics and business. Really, ma'am has given ma'am's 100%.
Myself Hepzibah. I've secured 98 percentage, 585 out of 600. Glory to God. First of all, I would like to thank my Almighty Lord for helping me and giving me strength. Then I would like to thank all my teachers who supported us, who taught us many things, who are with us, who helped us. They contributed a lot for our success. I would like to thank my economics ma'am, business ma'am, English ma'am and CS ma'am. I would also like to thank our management, especially Dr. Sharma sir and Praveen sir for providing all the necessary facilities, being with us.
ಹೆಸರು ತನುಜಾ. ನಾನು ದ್ವಿತೀಯ PUC ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇಂದು ನನಗೆ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಮಾಡಿದಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ನನ್ನ ಬೆನ್ನೆಲುಬಾದ ನನ್ನ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ನಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಮೇಯ್ನಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟೀಸ್ ಸ್ವಾತಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಕಸ್ತೂರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಸರ್, ಶರ್ಮಾ ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
I'm Indu Harsha from grade 2nd PU, taking a combination of science PCMB. I have secured 509 out of 600, that is 85%, which is I'm very satisfied with my percentage. Firstly, I would like to thank my parents who have supported me through the difficult times. And next thing is that through my difficult times, doubts and lecturers have been very helpful to me.
I have secured a very good percentage of 93 in science combination of PCMB, and I would like to thank all the faculties, our teachers, my parents, everyone for this.
ನಾನು ಶರ್ಮಾ ಸರ್ಗೆ, ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಸರ್ಗೆ, ಯೋಗೇಶ್ ಸರ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಲೆಕ್ಚರರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅವ್ರ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ದಿರ ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟು ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಮಂತಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಸಾಗಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
Giving the opportunity to speak, myself Revati. I thank lecturers like Swati ma'am, Kasturi ma'am and Sharma sir and Praveen sir for giving for motivating me and supporting me.